Human beings are aiming for the moon again. This time, we are focusing on the moon and thinking about the challenges of space development. Today, the moon is expected to play some important roles. For example, building a new base on the moon as a center for space development, using the ice on the moon and exploring the possibility of living there. One important idea is the space elevator, a system that connects the Earth and space. If it becomes possible, we will not need to send large amounts of fuel or water from Earth. We may also be able to use valuable resources that might exist on the moon. Right now, scientists are studying a material called carbon nanotubes to make the elevator possible. If it is completed, perhaps anyone will be able to travel to space easily.
In Asia, a company called Star Space Service is working with Shizuoka University on a project to develop this technology. However, there are also many challenges in exploring and studying the moon. For example, although there is a space treaty, it is not clear who owns the land on the moon, how its resources should be shared, or what should be done if disputes arise. Ideally, the moon's resources should be studied and used fairly by all countries. But in reality, this is not the case. As a result, there is a risk of conflicts between countries or serious damage to the moon's surface and environment. Research is moving forward under these uncertain conditions.
We think it is important to stop the first-come, first-served approach to lunar development and instead create rules that allow the moon to be used sustainably while protecting its environment. Otherwise, the moon could become a new place of conflict, and even the safety of the Earth could be in danger. To prevent this, countries, companies, and individuals must work together to make new rules.
We suggest three solutions. 1. Create an international organization to oversee activities on the moon. This group could allocate resources fairly, give permissions for exploration, and mediate conflict. 2. Designate World Heritage Sites on the moon. We can identify locations that are historically or scientifically important, protect them, and preserve these legacies for the future of humanity. 3. Establish detailed rules for exploration. All countries and organizations working on the moon should follow shared regulations. This would ensure that resources are distributed fairly and that new discoveries benefit the entire world. There may be a moon base where people from many countries live and work together. By following the rules and working together, relationships between countries on Earth can also improve. In this way, we can create a more peaceful and better future.